I'm just getting started here by laying down 4 pieces of thick sliced bacon right onto our baking sheet, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead now and grab some ground beef. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rip off a piece of that ground beef just like this, and I am gonna start to mold it right on top of these pieces of bacon. Now, any type of bacon you can use. I don't know, maybe you wanna share with me, are you a fan of Applewood smoked bacon? Do you like the regular kind? Thick, thin, I don't know, you tell me. Of course, you can pick what you choose, but I think that the thick bacon works the best for what we are doing today, you guys. It is a nice, sunny, warm day here in the West Coast, and we are gonna have a pool day today, so we're gonna make some fun things to cook out there, outside, while we are soaking up and enjoying the sun. So you can see here, I am just kind of molding this all right on top, just like a heaping portion down my bacon, and that's exactly what you wanna do. You just wanna line that ground beef just like so, all the way down the bacon, kind of making it into one giant long log, so to speak, and do that all the way through with all of your pieces of bacon, just like so. All right, you guys, there we have it. Now we're gonna grab ourselves some garlic. We're gonna sprinkle that right on top of these, so to speak, logs. Now you can tell that I pushed all the meat together. So it's kind of like, instead of making a patty, you're creating these logs over the bacon, and you wanna make sure that all of that meat is tightly pushed together where it's all gonna stay and it's not gonna fall apart just like it is there. Now we're gonna add some onion powder as well right on top of this ground beef. Of course, season the ground beef however you like it. I think, onion, garlic powder, you can never really go wrong with that. I love that on my ground beef. Of course, I'm gonna come in with just a little bit of salt, and we're gonna put that right over top, just nice and quickly, just like that, just a little bit. Then also some ground pepper. We'll do the same, just grinding that right on top of there, just a little bit, giving it some flavor. And of course, if you have a specialty way that you do it, tell me in the comments. I wanna know about it. All right, you guys, here's the trick. Now we're gonna take this bacon and we're gonna start to roll it up into a pinwheel. We're gonna start with the bottom and we're gonna tightly roll it. So you can see that why it was important to make sure that all the beef stayed together, so we can roll it up into a nice pinwheel just like so. And we'll set that right down on to our baking sheet. We're gonna go through all the way with all of our little beef bacon logs here, and we are gonna roll them up nicely just like that. All right, you guys, now as you get these wheels situated, you're gonna see that they might wanna start to unroll a little bit. So you're gonna take it, you're gonna kind of smash down the top, smash down the bottom. You see that this bacon is just kind of in there. Oof, this is gonna be so juicy. All of that bacon is just gonna seep into that meat. It's gonna help season it. It's gonna help create flavor. And these are gonna be the best burgers, let me tell you what. All right, so we're getting that all sealed up in there. Our grill is warmed up now, so fire that grill up and let that bad boy warm up, because we are about to feed it some meat right here. All right, so we got those all tightened up, you guys. Let's head out to the grill and let's put these bad boys on there. Ooh, I can't wait to see. You guys are gonna love this. We have our grill nice and hot. Ooh, we are gonna set these right down. Listen to that sizzle, you guys. Ooh, these are gonna be juicy and delicious. Okay, so we're gonna set your burgers down on the grill. You're gonna cook them for as much and as time as you like. And yeah, stick around and see the best burger. I think this is gonna be your new favorite way. Wow, look at those juicy burgers and how the bacon is wrapped all the way around, you guys. It was smelling so good outside. I'm gonna take this big juicy one right here in front, and while it's nice and warm, I'm gonna place it right on the cheese. Check that out. We have a thick, nice, juicy bacon burger. Oh, that burger looks so good. And you know that it's not complete without a little bit of ketchup. So let's just squeeze a little bit of ketchup out on there. And of course, we're gonna add here, let's see, a little bit of mustard. I'm just gonna go with classic yellow. Now I have some cheese, some tomato, a little bit of arugula on here. What is your ultimate cheeseburger, you guys? There are so many different kinds out there. Tell me what your favorite one is to eat. Okay, now let's check this out. We're gonna cut it right down the center. Oh my gosh, I see it juicing out. It is so juicy. You guys, that looks amazing. Let me know if you're gonna try this burger out. What's your favorite kind of burger? And yeah, I wanna hear all the thoughts. Let me know in the comments, you guys. I'm about to scarf this down, get my suit on, and jump in the pool. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you later.